The Russian-built Mi-26 is the largest helicopter in the world. It is designed to carry oversized cargo to remote destinations, which are unreachable by other aircrafts. Designed and built by Moscow-based MIL Helicopters, this Russian monster's NATO reporting name is Halo. The Mi-26 stands roughly the same height as a three-story building. Its rotors span over 32 meters in diameter, making them bigger than an Olympic swimming pool. Mi-26's production began in early 1970s. It was designed to replace earlier heavy-lift helicopters like Mi-6 and Mi-12. The first Mi-26 flew on 14 December 1977, and the first production aircraft was rolled out on 4 October 1980. Unless you saw it up close, it would be impossible to comprehend the sheer size of Mi-26. Not only it's an absolute mammoth in size, Mi-26's power is incomparable as well. This Russian monster can transport up to 44,000 pounds of cargo. Mi-26 is powered by a pair of 11,000 horsepower turbo engines, hitting the maximum speed of 295 kilometers per hour. The Halo's power and payload capacity is more than twice that of the U.S. Army's workhorse, CH-47 Chinook. Military versions of Mi-26 can carry about 90 combat-ready troops.
So, 82 people take their seats.
In an event of power loss, the Halo is capable of flight only on one engine, through an engine load-sharing system. Mi-26's performance and payload capacity is comparable to large airplanes, and it can also take off and land without a runway. This Russian monster helicopter costs a whopping $23 million and is among the best in the world.